African Red Tea Review are consistently favorable. Basically, the African Red Tea Detox is a diet program that's meant to both detoxify and help people lose weight. It is an ancient African red tea recipe for flushing out harmful toxins from the body and boosting immunity level. In addition, it increases energy and makes the body active. A huge number of short and long-term health benefits can be achieved with just 5 to 10% weight loss, although even greater health benefits can be achieved if enough weight can be lost to return from being overweight or obese to a healthy body mass index range. Each ingredient performs its function. Combination of these 5 ingredients forms a red tea which can be consumed for detoxification and triggering healthy weight loss. Stress makes a person gain more weight than normal. It also initiates most of the diseases that are otherwise not a problem. The health benefits of African Red Detox are desirable. The Red Tea Detox works equally well for both women and men. It also doesn't matter if one has a lot of weight to lose or just a few pounds, it can quickly help people achieve weight loss goals. African Red Tea Review book contains supplementary materials that break down the detox diet. This includes the recipe for red detox tea and options for changing up the recipe.